The robot era isn't coming. It's already here. What you're watching isn't science fiction or CGI, but real autonomous deployment happening in real time. Multiple humanoid robots activate themselves, stand up, organize, and move in coordination without any human control. This isn't just one impressive machine. It's a fleet operating as a unified system. Each robot understands its environment, communicates with the others, and adapts instantly, creating a level of scalable intelligence we've never seen before. Automation is no longer about single tools or assistants. It's about fully autonomous teams that can deploy in factories, warehouses, disaster zones, and beyond within seconds. The question is no longer whether robots will shape the future. The question is, who is ready to lead in this new robotic era?